Looks familiar, right? Well, we have a solution for you. Shock tape, the home device that will end pigeons' reign of terror. Do not install within reach of people. Your shock tape kit contains electric tape, energizer, lead-in wire, bag of sleeves. Surfaces must be dry, oil-free, and dust-free for proper adhesion. Use regular scissors to cut the tape to the required length whenever needed. Peel back several centimeters of the polyethylene-colored liner. Firmly press the exposed adhesive to the substrate. Pull the aluminum wires 90 degrees off the tape to 10 millimeters height, and place the sleeves on the aluminum wire. Detach the electric wire, creating two separate branches. Expose 10 millimeters of the wire's ends. Insert the branches into the sleeves. Firmly tighten the wires with a crimper. Connect the electric wires to the energizer like so. Both wires' branches can be connected to either port of the energizer. Connect the energizer to the closest electrical outlet. Shock tape is now ready. They will never come back again. Shock tape. Say farewell to all birds. Please check the installation guide before installing the system.